Start with your hearing aids off by making sure the battery doors are open. Make sure the remote control is switched on. You can check this by pressing the round button. A green light will flash to signify the device is on. Switch the hearing aids on by closing the battery doors. Then, using a pen, press the round black button on the back of the remote control once. You will notice the green light comes on. This indicates the pairing is successful. Please note, restarting the hearing aids and pressing the pairing button on the back of the remote control must be completed in quick succession. This ensures the hearing aids are in their pairing mode.